Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease icon size on Samsung Galaxy A05. Long press on home screen, go in settings. From here you can increase and decrease the home screen icons, and from here you can increase and decrease the apps icon. So first I am decreasing home screen icons. As you can see, my home screen icons are big. Now let's decrease it. If you tap on 4 by 6, as you can see, icon size is decreasing. Now if you tap on 5 by 5, as you can see, it is more decrease. You can manage it according to your needs. Now let's decrease the app size. Simply tap on home screen, go in settings again, tap on apps screen grid. Again from here, if you do 4 by 6, icon size is decreased. And if you do 5 by 5, as you can see, it is so small. You can manage it according to your need. Now simply if you want to increase it, now simply tap on 4 by 5, go back. Now if you want to increase the home screen icon, simply tap on home screen grid, tap on 4 by 5. As you can see, my icon size are increased. Tap on simply done. This is how you can increase and decrease icon size on Samsung Galaxy A05. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.